second phase of polling in Chhattisgarh for 72 assembly seats has begun. Over 13.9 million voters, including 6.83 million women, are eligible to exercise their franchise. As many as 3,000 cameras have been installed at the polling booths to ensure free and fair polls. Now, 98 out of 840 candidates have declared criminal cases against them, and the cases include serious charges of murder, kidnapping and crime against women. The main battle is between the ruling BJP, which has governed Chhattisgarh since 2003, and the Congress. Now, the voters will also decide the fate of many political bigwigs, including Ajit Jogi. Jogi's son Amit Jogi is fighting on a Congress ticket from Marwahi, and his wife Renu Jogi from Kota constituency.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी की रमन सिंह जी की सरकार को उखाड़ फेंकने का फैसला किया है। इसलिए छत्तीसगढ़ के जागरूक मतदाताओं को मैं उनकी इस मानसिकता के लिए बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं। तस्वीर बहुत अच्छी है और कांग्रेस प्रचंड बहुमत से जीत रही है।
Long queues are being seen early in the morning for the final phase of polling in Chhattisgarh. We are in Kavarda, which is the native place of Chief Minister Raman Singh, and we are already seeing long queues here. Even before the polling started at about 7:45, these people had come and got into queues to cast their vote. In fact, Raman Singh, along with his entire family, will himself be coming to this exact same booth 221 to cast his vote. Now, there are some first-time voters we have with us over here. One of them, you've cast your vote for the first time. कौन सा ऐसा मुद्दा था जिस पे आपने अपना वोट डाला?
मेरे इसके लोग शायद सभी लोग ये सोचते हैं कि हमारा नेता जो हो वो बहुत ही अच्छा हो, सबकी भावनाओं को समझे, बड़े से लेकर छोटों की भावनाओं को समझे। तो मैंने इसीलिए लोगों की परेशानियों को देखकर जिसको भी वोट दिया है अपना, आई थिंक वो they win.
All right. There are 843 candidates in fray. There are 72 constituencies that are voting today across 19 districts. Although the security this time for the second phase is not as much as for the first phase, because the first phase was in the Naxal affected belt. However, despite that, we are seeing about 1 lakh security personnel spread across 72 constituencies manning the polling booths. With camera person Yogendra Singh, this is Maha Siddiqui in Kavarda, Chhattisgarh for Headlines Today.
And now Maha Siddiqui, in fact, joining us live from Kavarda in Chhattisgarh, where Chhattisgarh, in fact, is going through the second stage of polling. Maha, battleground Chhattisgarh obviously proving to be a needle contest. If the vote is about Chief Minister Raman Singh, the BJP could be home and dry.
Well, it does appear that this second phase of polling is going to be extremely important for one simple reason, that 72 constituencies are going to polls this time around. The first phase saw very few constituencies going to vote, mostly from the Naxal belt, but the voter percentage was 75, and it is expected that this time around the voter percentage, if not more, would be equal, because the central and the north parts of Chhattisgarh are not Naxal affected. Sanjana, let me tell you that in the first 1.5 hours, we saw about 15% voting. Even now at this point, you can see long queues, but certainly the number of women who are coming out to vote now has dropped. In the morning, we saw long queues of women as well. Well, this is the constituency, this is the place which is where CM Raman Singh will be coming to cast his vote. Remember, this is his native place. He doesn't contest from here. He contested in the first phase of polling from Rajnandgaon, but his son has taken active interest in the campaigning over here, clearly building his foundation perhaps for being part of Chhattisgarh politics in future.